The invited lecture and interactive session on Chemistry in Industry, the Modern Applications was organized by Department of Chemistry, Durgapur Government College under the DBT Star College scheme on January 8, 2025. The session was conducted by Dr. Sourav Ranjan, Head of the Department of Basic Science and Humanities, Dr. B.C. Roy Engineering College, Durgapur. The resource person provided valuable insights on the industrial processes of steel making and cement production. An innovative project was also explained for the conversion of the waste slag for the recovery of silicon, chromium, and nickel. The lecture was followed by a series of presentations on industrial chemistry by undergraduate students and the related topics. We express our heartfelt thanks to Department of Biotechnology, Government of India for extending their support in organizing such events under the DBT Star College scheme.